You're first. Hurry. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Howdy, bitch! Shit! Woo!
Create core.
Hi guys, I'm Kiana.
And I'm Kaylin.
And this is Create Core.
Today we're gonna show you how to host the most epic Halloween party.
Yes, on a budget.
So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button.
And we're gonna
We're
party.
gonna party.
Hi, welcome to Create Core, where we're gonna show you how to DIY some stuff.
So if you've never stumbled upon our channel and you're here now, congratulations, welcome, we love you. We do DIYs with a
Twist.
we like to get a little lit, you know?
Yeah.
So every episode we have a cocktail that's featured, and today we're doing like a ghoulish Halloween cocktail.
Yeah, she made the cocktails because I can't make cocktails for shit, but I'm learning.
Yes, she can.
I'm
Yes, she
learning.
can. So we basically, today, to make it look this color, like blood red kind of,
Yeah.
we use tart cherry. So we do
Yummy.
tequila, tart cherry, a little bit of cinnamon for that festive vibe.
Yes.
And we top it with sparkling water. You can do sparkling wine, but it's so yummy. It's kind of dangerous. It tastes like juice.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, we already had one.
Yeah, I mean, come on.
But whatever.
You know,
no
we
one's
gotta
watching.
make it fun.
But you guys.
But cheers.
Cheers. Love you.
Love you. It's so good. I could chug it right
Oh my
now.
God, I love
Okay, on to what we're doing. So what are you gonna do first?
I'm making what I saw on TikTok. It's gonna be a centerpiece with candles, and it's gonna be a little spooky.
This is how it looks.
Yes.
And hopefully we can make it like that. We're gonna see. We're no experts, guys,
Yeah,
so
we're
please
terrible,
don't judge. But you
probably.
can tell us what it's giving.
Is it bussin' or is it disgusting?
Most of our DIY today is pool
Pool noodles.
So I'm gonna try to do like a spooky, ghoulish little centerpiece.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that's gonna come out. We're
With
gonna
those
use,
flowers.
Yeah, we're gonna use these like Dollar Tree flowers. And we're gonna try to make it look as cool as possible because you
possible.
want to like impress your friends.
Right.
Let's take
So
a
these
shot.
are like some of the props we got.
Okay, so we got these all from the dollar store, which obviously no surprise, but everything was under like $3 because we're broke.
Help me, I'm poor.
And we want to make this so beautiful.
Then no one can
Promise
tell.
you it's gonna be gorgeous.
Right.
So I got this platter for the candles. I'm gonna put it on top of this, but obviously we're gonna deck it out. And what are you doing?
I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna stick these flowers in them, wrap it with lights, and just make it as spooky as possible.
And then we're gonna fight each other.
Oh, we're also adding these cups. These are $1.25. And it's gonna look so freaking cute, and you're gonna impress your friends, family, whatever your holiday
You're gonna have the
entails.
motion.
We gonna do it.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. But anyways.
Okay, so we have this cut in half. I mean, it's not the best, but whatever. I gotta get my zip ties. These are too small. So like, I got
Attach
the
them
wrong
together.
ones. So I'm gonna try to attach them together like this and see if it extends and actually fits. So, I guess it fits.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. We did it, guys. We
Make it a
did
little tighter.
I guess that when it's not long enough, you can literally put it through and then like extend it. Thank God for that, because I was like, I'm not going to the store and getting another one.
Okay, let's see if this fits. Oh. Oh look, dude.
So we're gonna do the other side.
Oh my god,
Look
I'm
at
so
that.
focused. Wait,
Oh wait,
drink
hold
time.
on. Hold on, girl. Don't drink without me.
I spit it back in the cup.
Oh, look at guys. That's so satisfying. Look at, we already got a centerpiece. Like, who are we kidding?
Oh,
Cheers.
you have to do the middle too.
How about you chug it? Wanna chug it?
Oh. Okay.
I'm diabolical.
Okay, let's hear it. I think you bitch.
Mhm.
But it's alcohol, so
I think
that's the only one we're chugging.
How dare anyone charge more than like $200 for thing? You can literally make under 30 bucks. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We're not gonna see you ever again. I hate you.
So that's why we're here, to help you guys out.
Okay, right now I'm using the
I'm struggling.
6000 to just glue this down on the plate, because this is like more than super glue. This is like
The one.
this is the one, the only. How much did I get it for?
You got it for like 2 something.
I think
like
over
30% off.
$3 is here at this table.
Pretty sick.
Let me tell you, because again, we're not paying.
Right.
We're not.
We're broke.
We refuse. Okay, I finally got it secured, guys.
Yes, queen.
The bag is secured. Okay, so what's next? More drinks, maybe? Hmm?
Yeah. Always.
I think I'm a little tipsy.
It's chicken rally time!
Cocktails made already. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that color. Give me yours. Yes, hopefully there's enough. She's been drinking.
Tonight, we're getting fucked up!
Okay, so now I am gluing them together.
Alright.
Oh,
You want to do
she's
another
standing!
cheers? All I want to do is just like drink.
wait, she's
Have you
actually
noticed?
standing. I can't believe
It
this.
looks great.
I
Look
know.
it. I mean,
It's
we're
all
kind of doing
we're
great.
similar. We're
doing
similar.
great. We're doing
We're
great.
in the same universe. We're not like Infinity Stones, but there.
I have this garland. I used this last year for
Yeah.
like a little rooftop party I did for Halloween. But I paid $1 for this, so you can't go wrong. I want to kind of like
Wrap it.
wrap it.
Here's the glue that sticks. That will stick anything.
Oh, look how, you don't need anything else after this. She looking good. Oh, that's looking cool.
Yes, ma'am.
Hold me down.
That glue is the shit.
If it was a person, me and
See,
it.
I'm not even gonna glue it. I'm just
Me
gonna
and
leave this, look at this, like it is. I'm gonna leave it like it is. And then I'm gonna start sticking things in.
That's what she said.
Pennsylvania might be beautiful to vacation to, but to actually live there, fuck no. That place is great, but it's beautiful because it
It's so
snows and Christmas time. Lord Jesus Christ, it is like
It's
your
so
ideal
beautiful.
Christmas.
Yeah, it really is.
Memories.
That's
and,
one
like,
thing. Everything's so spread out.
Yummy.
And think about kids and teenagers. Like, you get bored and you start doing crazy shit. Like, it happens to all of us, you know? Think about it. You have free crib all weekend long or all week long.
You're
because
going keggers, bitch. Have the free crib all the time. We would just party. We would go to parties. We were out, and it was just so much fucking fun.
Something is wrong here.
I can't even tell you. Okay, so what I basically did was I glued the E6000 together with the foam and the plates, and like held it together so it could just actually stay. And look, this shit's not moving. All right, she's stable.
Good.
She looked good. She looked pretty. She's a queen. And now I'm gonna paint this black because black is Halloween. So I'm
Yeah.
painting all of this black. Black like my heart, black like my soul. Just kidding. Jesus
At least she's
forever.
honest.
Jesus forever.
Jesus forever. I've been putting this, just sticking all of these different like arrangements I got from Dollar Tree into the foam, which is super easy, honestly. Anyone can do this DIY, like anyone. Because I don't even know what I'm doing, and it's looking great, honestly.
It looks
I would
good.
suggest though to either paint the noodle. I got a purple one. I thought it was like Halloween. They didn't have black, but maybe find a black noodle or paint it before. I could kind of see the purple coming through, but it looks festive. It doesn't look like trashy or anything like that.
We gonna cover the
Actually
purple.
look good. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we don't have to because everything in here is purple, black, and red.
Purple's my least favorite color. Why? Because it doesn't
Why?
match anything.
And that's my favorite color. What the hell? We're so opposites. It's insane. She a hater.
Purple's like what you got on? Crazy.
Oh my god, did I get shit on me?
She's ruining my shit. She's trying to sabotage me.
I feel like we haven't been drinking.
Cheers. Speak for yourself, because I have.
Suck it! As you can tell, we've been drinking a lot.
Look at this, guys. It's looking so good.
It actually is looking
I
fucking
know.
awesome.
I can't wait to put this in my house.
And this is chalkboard paint. By the way, Dollar Tree sells chalkboard paint for $1.25.
Nothing over $3. We literally didn't spend anything over $3.
Per project plus my project
I
literally
spent 22.
22 and I spent like 25.
Yeah.
So literally under $50. So I got these lights, and they're indoor use, purple LED string lights. We got batteries from the Dollar Tree.
We were at the Dollar Tree like,
I mean,
partying.
they're
in
not
there.
that long, but it is what it is. We got this cauldron. Guys, look how big this shit is. I did a rum punch last year. When you poured it in like a clear glass, it looked like blood. What is it from Cinderella story? Anything is possible.
If you just believe. Hillary Duff. You know what I'm gonna do? Because I know you guys saw this. They use the skeleton hands, but I'm
this looks
also gonna use webs, spiders. We're also gonna use tea lights.
It's gonna be ghouly.
Spider tea lights.
Wait,
okay?
look at what I did.
Wait, how'd you do that?
Wouldn't that look so cute right
Yeah,
there
that's
in the
the
middle?
whole point of those damn skulls.
No, the skulls are just like decoration. But like
Video
we're gonna
party
use
centerpiece.
them. But I don't know. Maybe
You
just
need that
one.
E6000, girl.
I think just one because it's not like symmetrical with two. So maybe just one in the middle. She looking beautiful. She
Okay,
looking
we're gonna
great.
take shots with this.
Oh my god. These two.
Hollow.
Oh my god, that looks so crazy.
Doesn't that look good though? Look how good this looks. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god, white.
And then she died.
Oh my god.
Paint this white.
So it looks like an actual skull.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So we're just gonna pour white paint all
So, like,
over it.
I'm kind of done.
Yeah.
My DIY like finished quick. I think it's beautiful and it's giving extravagant. I'm gonna go get some candles, little tea light, actual candles that you can like place water in here and then float them on top. Okay, as she's painting that, I got some tea lights here. I'm gonna pour some water in here. I feel like that's gonna be a good idea. I'm gonna pour some water. Where the hell did that come from? It floats! We're floating! We float.
Georgie.
Why? Oh my god, this is gonna be so cute, guys! Are you kidding me?
It's gonna look so sick, dude.
Alright guys, so our DIY is complete. We did it. We made it through. We're still drinking. We're like 6 cups down. Don't judge. When all the lights are off, we're gonna put all the lights on, so you can see how it is like spooky at night, and if you have like a night kind of themed party.
Thank you for watching. Let us know what you would like to see us create next.